Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. So in today's video, we are going to Versace, Dior, and Hermes, and I'm really excited because I did have a specific comment about the Versace Crystal Cup. Is the Versace Crystal Cup worth it, or is it not worth it? So we will take a closer look at it, check out the crystals, and really all of the quality of it, and determine is it a good purchase or not. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So getting right into it, we are going straight for the crystals, and there are so many cute crystal handbags. In all honesty, these are all approved by me. Every single color is just so gorgeous, but we will be taking a look at that beautiful crystal cup in the background. Now, the Versace crystal cup, this is actually really beautiful. I did have a specific comment to go ahead and review this, so I will be doing this close-up, and to be honest, these crystals are really cute. Now, to be honest, they are very on there, so they are very sturdy. They're not going to fall off easy, and even if they do fall off, you can just bring it here at the store, or even just put it back on yourself. It's very easy to replace the crystals. It does have a metal straw, and I was actually very impressed because I didn't know that it was metal, so it will keep your drink very cool or hot, depending on how you like it. Quality of this is actually really great. I do love it. Now, it is a twist-on closure, and at first I was worried that the lid would pop off, but the lid is actually extremely sturdy to where I would know 100% it is not just going to pop off. So when it comes to the lid, I do really like it, but personally for me, I just need a water bottle that does have a closure and no straw, because that's just personally my own preference. But if I did want a twist on with a straw, this one would definitely be the one that I would get. Taking a look at some of their amazing, beautiful La Medusa bags, we do have so many great choices. Now you know that I love my Versace bags. I will have the entire playlist below. The La Medusas are just so amazing and such a classic. I did have a dream that I did own a white one, so I do want a white one, but this crocodile is absolutely amazing. Now, the real crocodile one is $23,000. However, this is crocodile embossed, so this one is only $3,000. And compared to the original price point, it is so doable. So this one is so cute. I do love it on. It is the perfect size, the medium size, and I also did try on this tote as well. So this tote, I do actually really want this. This is on my list to highly get because this is the most perfect tote. I love the fact that it's black and silver, and to be honest, you really can't go wrong with this one. So it does have a canvas tote material to it, but it's just so great, especially for travel. This is a nice, like, easy throw and then go bag, and it's great for every day. We do have new style of bags as well. I don't know the name of the bags, but we will be taking a quick close-up on them as well. But they are so cute. So especially this gray one over here, I actually really did fall in love with this gray one. However, I do wish they did have feet because they're not really sturdy. As you see, they will tip over very easily, especially if you just throw it on a table. So if they did have feet, that would definitely be a plus. But this is so smooth, and we'll be taking a closer look at it in a minute. But we do have that beautiful beige color and the black. The black one, I actually really did like the black one. However, for this first style of bag, this one it is cute, and the inside is just so soft and glamorous the way it feels on your skin. However, my only con with this one is the closure. It is just so hard to open and close it because the handles do get in the way. This style right here is so much better. The gray one we are looking into, and this one is cute. It's a basic inside. You do have the giant opening compartment, but you do have cute little card slots in the back, so you can go ahead, leave your wallet at home, and use the actual bag as a wallet. This one is actually really cute. Now, if they do end up making this in a medium or even a large size, preferably a large size, I might actually get the large top handle size. Of course, we can't forget about the rest of the beautiful La Medusa collection, and these little bags are actually so great. These ones are such an affordable price point too, so these ones I totally recommend. Blue sweater, I actually do try it on later in pink, but the tweed skirt is so great. This one, I 100% loved it. Now, the buttons on it are so cool too, and they were actually really heavy, so it was such great quality. Then, of course, the simple denim white shirt, you cannot go wrong with it. I actually think I might want one of these. Looking at some of the jewelry is very cute. However, in this section right here, you can see my crystal ring. Now, you know that I did lately do my entire Versace jewelry collection video, where this ring is my favorite standout piece. I do have the matching necklace that I wear every day. I definitely 100% love it in that video. However, over here we do have this giant gold Medusa head, and I actually really do want that too. They make a couple different versions. Sometimes it has a crystal with it, but this one you can't go wrong with it. For their shoes, I don't really look at too many designer shoes too often. But the black and white checkered ones I actually really do like, so it definitely made me think of it, so I had to go back and check it out. and these are actually really, really cute. Now, if they did have it in a high top version, 100% sold. I would have bought it right there on the spot because I love high tops, and all my shoes, they have to be a high top. Like this one right here, I would have approved of this one. So this one is very cute. This one is in all black, and for the price point, it's a decent price point. I think they do retail at 700. Actually, 700 for designer shoes is 1000% worth it. So actually, it is a great price point. Versace, they do have jeans too, and I really do want them because they have this heavy, thick Medusa detailing on them, even on the buttons. But the thing is, the smallest size is still way too big for me. So it will require a lot of work to tailor it in, and it is doable, but it's just not at the top of my list. We do have these beautiful hoodies as well, which I have tried on in a lot of my Versace videos. This gorgeous black one with the gold Medusa. However, we now have it in a navy blue with the silver Medusa. And this one, I actually really do like that. I love the colors together and anything silver. We do have some more silver gems over here with a beautiful crocodile bag in the men's section. However, down here, I do really, really love these bags. So we do have that one, which is like a pouch one, but this one with the two pockets, I seen this last time I was here, and I actually really do like it. I think this was 1200 if I'm not mistaken, maybe 800 or 600. I'll have the price on screen if I can. This one is 100% worth it, especially if you go to like amusement parks. This is the one that I would take. Finally, have the tote in this gorgeous pink color. This is my favorite shade of pink. I did talk to them. This one will be going into the sale section. So this one is like 1200 or 1400. But the fact that it will go on sale, it will be like 600 sometime this summer. So best believe I will get it when it's like $500 because it is honestly such a steal at that price. So this one's so cute. I love trying it on, and it's just so me. Versace did also have this gorgeous silk jacket, and this one, I loved this one so much. This was $2,600, but it is so worth it. It's actually reversible, so it does have a dark side to it, and the dark side is so comfortable. So in all honesty, this is like a win-win, and it looks so cute, especially with my brand new Balenciaga bag. I do have a video linked right above and in the description below. And this one, I absolutely love it. Now, again, like I said, for the price, it is 2,600, but honestly, I do think it is worth it. When you do wear it like this and you have like that gold lining, it is just so gorgeous, and 1000%, I love it. For the men's section, we do have this beautiful bomber jacket as well, and the bomber jackets, I really do love them. I do approve them. This gray sweater, I actually really do like it too. The cotton material was so comfortable. You just want to like cuddle and cozy in it. It's just so comfortable. But we did have that like blue surfer one as well. We also have the white hoodie. Now, I didn't know about the white hoodie, and it does have the silver Medusa on it as well. And this one is 1000% so cool. I actually would love to have this. You also have this gorgeous blue silk shirt, and this one is just so gorgeous. 1000% I do recommend this for every guy. They should always have a blue shirt like this. However, now we have this shirt, and this shirt 1000% I would have bought this for somebody that I most dearly love because that is 1000% him if I ever seen a shirt here. This denim jacket is 100% amazing as well. The white is just so classic and chic. This blue shirt, I do like it, but for some reason, I just feel like something could be added to it, but I also feel like it's really perfect. For the gray knit sweater, the gray knit sweater has been here for so long. I feel like it's a sign telling me that I should buy it, and maybe the puffer jacket too, because this puffer jacket has been here for quite some time. However, we do have this gorgeous silk shirt, and this one, I actually really do want this. This is very high on my list. I have tried on a couple silk shirts, but none of them are just perfect for me yet. However, that one, I actually think it might be the one. And then we do have some of these ones as well, which is kind of like trippy. It kind of reminds me at like sea, but also like Mario Kart coins for some reason. More of their current season, some very, very cute gray colors. You know that I do love gray. Same with this set. I'm very surprised by some of the pieces that are still here. They've been in a couple of my vlogs, especially when it comes to the men's section. However, the gray pieces, I really do like it, and I do think they are very underrated. However, over here we do have some jackets. And now I have to say that when it comes to leather jackets, the Versace leather jackets are so expensive. They're like $4,000 usually, but they are honestly so, so great. The materials there, they are very heavy. I have tried this specific one on before in a couple of vlogs, and it's 1000% 10 out of 10. Hang on some clothes. This is my outfit for today. We do have my Cashmere Theory sweater and my Dior oblique shoes and my brand new Balenciaga bag, which of course I do have a couple reviews on. The outfits I will be trying on is this gorgeous blue silk shirt because like I said, I really do think this is the one. And then this mini dress that I actually did find as well in the women's section, which we will kind of check out a little bit later on as well. For this blue shirt, I have to say that it goes so well with my skin tone. Unlike the other ones, this one doesn't look too busy. This one actually looks like I am very nicely educated and I am on a beautiful vacation at like the White Lotus. And this one is such good vibes and I really love it. Here we have the mini dress, and the mini dress, I actually really do like it. Now, I do have some plans for it, which I will say a little bit later on, but when it comes to this, for me to really pull it off, I would definitely need heels, and I would definitely have to have a wig on as well, and then that would totally be the vibe and the look. I actually didn't realize it had pockets, but I was surprised because it does have the little pockets as well. I thought they were just like details, but it actually turns out they have a use. However, what I would do is I would lift it up probably to about this length and then tailor it to here because this is the proper length for me. Now, this just looks like a long t-shirt. This I feel comfortable going out in. I feel like I could be myself, and you can have cute little pockets at the bottom of it too. Miniature pockets, but still good pockets. But this 1000% fits my proportion so much better. So when it comes to any type of mini dresses, I would always definitely take them in and definitely raise them up. I found a few more pieces in the women's section to try on as well, like this beautiful wool sweater, and this one is so cute. We will be getting into that. They do have a women's version of the blue men's version that we did see as well. And then scrolling down over here, we do see this gorgeous pink knit sweater. I didn't know they made this in the pink version, just the blue version. So the pink one, 1000% trying it on because you know me, I love pink, and they made it in a hoodie as well that says Versace. So first with the sweater, this one is so perfect. However, I was really disappointed because of the length. It is very, very short, and you will see it in just a second, but it is so cute and comfortable. Now, I'm actually still debating on getting this because I could always tailor it to make it longer. Because when I lift up my arms, you can see that it's just way too short because, you know, it's meant for like a woman. So I guess my torso is just too long, or the way that it's cropped just doesn't fit me perfectly. But it is really cute, and I do feel really cute in it as well. And the best part is you could actually pull that neck piece up so you can cover your face when you're cold. So this one is really cute, and I do wish it would fit better. So the I liked a lot as well. However, this one, there was just like no salvaging this one because the cut of it is just totally wrong for me. Now this one is 1000% made for a woman just because like sometimes when it comes to women's clothing, they just have that horrible cut to them. And I don't know why they cut it like that, but if they just made it more fitted and less of like a crop top feel to it, then it would totally be better. I did also get to see this famous YSL tote bag. Now this one is so big, but in person it's actually less big than you would think. It's actually like doable. It's actually a really, really great size to where I want it. Now to be honest, this is $4,000, but it's actually kind of worth it. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller when it comes to the width of it, and the giant YSL logo is so prominent and the quality is so great. The leather is so smooth, it's easy to throw on your arm, and to be honest, I 100% now understand the hype of this bag. It's so great. I did stop at Dior and I was able to see one of the dog collars as well. As you know, every Friday I do review a different designer's luxury pet collection, and I did do an entire video about Dior and their pet collections, but I was never able to actually show a close-up on it. But this one is really, really cool. However, this is actually really thick and very heavy, so it's definitely not okay for a cat, but for a dog, I would say it's okay for a medium-sized dog, but it's still too thick for a small dog. I also do have an amazing Hermes vlog coming up very soon, where we will get to see a couple Kellys, a couple Crocodile Birkins, and so many great bags. They do have a dog event this weekend, which I am invited to, so I was going to post an Hermes pet collection video this Friday, but it might have to wait until the following Friday because I'm not sure if this dog event footage I'll want to include in the video, but so many great pieces, so definitely stay tuned. Okay, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me what was your favorite bag and favorite item out of this entire vlog. Now, I will be going to Hermes, and I do have the entire Hermes vlog coming, and I'm so excited because there is a dog event this weekend. So I will be going to this dog event. Now, I'm either going to take my cat in a cat stroller, but preferably my best friend and her dog because he is so cute, and his name is Bear, and he is like a German Shepherd mix, kind of looks like Scooby-Doo, but with like no spots and like with hair. So he is just so cute and adorable. I've been dying to dress him up in Versace ever since my best friend got him, so I'm definitely going to make him wear my Versace scarf around his neck, and it's going to be so adorable and cute. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and have a great day. Au revoir.